Dear fellow crafters, I'm Maggie, a graphic designer, miniature artist, and proud Etsy shop owner, and I'm thrilled to share my latest creation with you. The past 2 months have been a whirlwind of birthday celebrations in my family. I celebrated my birthday in May, then my sweet grandma and my lovely mom in June, and just 2 days ago my little boy turned 4. With all that festive energy in the air, I was inspired to create a miniature birthday set in both 1:6 scale for Barbie-sized dolls and 1:12 scale for dollhouses. Today we'll be crafting a party banner, gift bags, a cake, gift boxes, paper plates, cups, party hats, greeting cards, and yes, more gift boxes. Is this party hat too big? Let me know what you think. For this project I used glossy photo paper. It was a total experiment since I'd never printed my designs on it before. The colors turned out super vibrant, which was exciting at first, until I started folding. That's when I noticed some issues. The ink smudged and got on my fingers, leaving marks, so a heads up, think twice before using glossy photo paper. For me, it was manageable. I used wet wipes to clean my fingers occasionally and avoided leaving dark spots on the boxes. Let's start by making a gift box that actually opens. We'll fill it later with tiny gifts for Barbie. Use a ruler and small scissors to score the fold lines for clean, sharp creases. Then apply white craft glue to the tabs and assemble. These boxes have a clever design with extra interior walls for support. Fold and glue those inside for added strength. Hold everything in place with mini craft packs until dry. Do the same for all 4 walls of the lid. Once it's dry, repeat the steps for the bottom part of the box. Test the lid. If it's too tight, your paper might be too thick. Either use thinner paper next time or skip the interior walls on the lid. There's also a tiny happy birthday insert for a sweet surprise inside the box. Time to fill it. I'm adding 3 mini notebooks and 3 more. A tiny book, of course, and a mini greeting card. Let's put on the lid. It's a bit tricky with thick paper, but the box feels really sturdy now. For all you perfectionists out there, here is a tip. Use a bit of acrylic paint to hide those white crease lines. I used purple and applied it carefully with the tip of my brush. That's better. Moving on. My fingers were getting messy, so I wiped them clean and tried white cotton gloves. Maybe less heat would prevent smudging. Nope, even the gloves got dirty. Lesson learned, next time I'll stick with regular cardstock paper. Gift box 2 is done. On to the gift bags. I scored the folds again using a ruler and scissors. I glued the top edge of the bag inward for extra support and let it dry. Then I folded the sides and glued the bottom tabs together, holding everything with craft bags. Once dry, I shaped the sides inward to form the bag. Now for the handles. Fold each in half, glue and attach them inside the bag where the little white circles are marked. Use packs to keep them in place until they dry. Once dry, you've got the cute little bag that fits the long gift box perfectly. Time to make the happy birthday banner. I cut out each letter and used white embroidery floss. Thanks, Grandma. It's the perfect thickness, not too bulky, not too thin. Fold each letter sign, apply glue, place the floss inside and press shut. Keep the spacing even. That's part 1 done. Now on to the word birthday. A few minutes later, done and looking adorable. I couldn't wait to see how it looks in my doll's living room. I added some paper flowers to cover the tape and make it even more festive. Let's make some birthday plates and cups. I designed the plates to look 3D even though they're flat. First, cut them out. To shape them, I used a bottle cap, pressing the edges around it. The glossy paper was a bit stiff, so I tried pressing it into a sponge too. Use the back of a brush to make them concave. Still not great, but if you use thinner paper, you get a nicer curve. I added a mini scented candle to one of the boxes. Barbie's going to love it! If you want to learn how to make mini candles and get free labels, check out my other video, how to make miniature scented candles. To finish, I tied a pink ribbon around the box. Not easy. My fingers felt so clumsy. But finally it looked gorgeous. Now I've got a lovely stack of presents for Barbie. Next up, party hats. We are making classic cone-shaped hats. Cut, glue and hold with a craft pack to dry. For the elastic, I used fine elastic thread and a white eye needle. Punch holes on the sides, pull the thread through, tie knots inside and secure them with hot glue. Done! Let's see how it looks on Barbie. I think it's a bit big, but I'm not sure. Truth to be told, I've never worn a party hat myself. In Bulgaria we don't usually wear them. Let me know in the comments, should it be smaller? I made several hats and stuck them up for the guests. Now let's make the birthday cake. I reused 3 bottle caps in different sizes to make a 3-layered cake. I stacked the cups and added drops of glue to mimic frosting. After drying, I painted it with white acrylic paint. Then came the decorations, little nail art embellishments I got from Temu months ago, just perfect for a tiny cake. A generous amount of glue and some fun placement. Oops, one wrote away. And it looks amazing. I added tiny bows to each layer. What do you think? Will you try this cake? Last step, party cups. Cut out the template and roll it around a brush. Glue the ends and let it dry. I pre-made a few, so now I'll glue their bases to some cardstock. Let them dry, then cut out around the bottom. One cup done. Repeat for all 8. You'll find a free digital file linked in the video description. If you want even more variety, check out the full printable set in my Etsy shop. It includes 2 gift boxes, 2 gift bags, more boxes, 6 party hats, 6 greeting cards, 8 plates, 8 cups, and a full happy birthday banner.
And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure.
Now comes the fun part. Let's decorate Barbie's room for her birthday. Will she get lots of presents? I think so.
Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again.
Subscribe to my channel for more free miniature videos and free digital files for your dollhouse. Bye for now!